Good morning, students. Welcome to this our new session, direct and indirect speech of exclamatory sentences. Okay. Before this session, we have studied about the direct and indirect speech of assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, and today we are going to study about the direct and indirect speech of the exclamatory sentences which will be given in the reported speech. Okay, now first of all, it is most important to learn about the exclamatory sentences. What is an exclamatory sentence? ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये उद्गारवाचक वाक्य म्हणतो. तर the definition of exclamatory sentence is a expression of the feelings, the spontaneous expressions of the feeling of joy, the feeling of sorrow or the feeling of surprise. अचानक व्यक्त होणारे भाव, मग ते भाव, त्या फिलिंग्स, त्या इमोशन्स आनंद व्यक्त करणारे असतील, दुःख व्यक्त करणारे असतील किंवा आश्चर्य व्यक्त करणारे असतील, बरोबर आहे, त्या वाक्याला आपण उद्गारवाचक वाक्य म्हणतो. ओके, आता उद्गारवाचक वाक्य बघा, एक साधं स्टेटमेंट दिलं असेल तर आपण त्याला तीन प्रकारे आपण जर वाचन केलं तर तीन वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या फिलिंग्स किंवा इमोशन निर्माण होऊ शकतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ही हॅज स्कोर्ड 95% मार्क्स, फुल स्टॉप. इट इज द सिंपल सेंटेन्स. त्याने 95% मार्क्स मिळवलेले आहेत, साधं वाक्य. आता हेच वाक्य बघा, ही हॅज स्कोर्ड 95% मार्क्स. या ठिकाणी फिलिंग कशी आहे? आश्चर्य व्यक्त करणारी आहे, आनंद व्यक्त करणारी आहे. ही हॅज स्कोर्ड 95% मार्क्स, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क दिलेला आहे. हेच वाक्य पुन्हा आपण तिसऱ्या प्रकारे वाचू, ही हॅज स्कोर्ड 95% मार्क्स. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन विचारलेला आहे, इंट्रोगेशन मार्क्स आहे, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी प्रश्न आहे. म्हणजे वाक्य एकच आहे, सेंटेन्स एकच आहे, परंतु आपण त्याला जसं रीडिंग करतो, जसं वाचतो, जे पुन्हा पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्स दिलेले आहेत त्याप्रमाणे त्या वाक्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे भाव निर्माण होतात. ओके, आता समजा अशा प्रकारचं वाक्य रिपोर्टेड स्पीच मध्ये असेल, इफ द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स इज गिवन इन कामा इनटू इनवर्टेड कामा आर इन द कोटेशन मध्ये किंवा अवतरण चिन्हामध्ये हे जर असेल तर हाऊ टू चेंज धिस सेंटेन्स इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to focus on the reporting verb. Reporting verb said or told. Said or told should be changed into exclaimed. Okay, the reporting verb said or told is changed into the exclaimed. Then according to the feeling or the emotions of the sentence, the exclamatory sentence which will be given in the quotation, according to the emotions, we should add exclaimed with joy if the joy is there, exclaimed with sorrow, dukha aseल तर exclaimed with sorrow. If the surprise is given there, then exclaimed with the surprise. Or we can also use the adverb form, exclaimed joyfully, exclaimed sorrowfully, exclaimed surprisingly. Okay, no problem. Then to connect the reported speech with the reporting verb or reporting speech, okay, we have to connect the conjunction that, or to remove the comma into inverted comma, we have to use that as a conjunction. आपण कंजक्शन म्हणून that वापरणार. Okay, and if the words like oh, alas, brave, hurrah, ah, hark, these words should be deleted. If we use the reporting verb with exclaimed with certain feelings, then these words are already deleted. Okay, now generally the exclamatory sentence start with what or how. Okay, then the first thing we have to do in this case, that the exclamatory sentence in the reported speech should be changed into assertive form. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच मधील एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स म्हणजे उद्गारवाचक वाक्य जे असेल त्याचं आपल्याला असर्टिव्ह फॉर्म मध्ये चेंज करायचं आहे, म्हणजे एस प्लस व्ही प्लस ओ फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ इन मोस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेन्सेस द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्सेस start with how or what, then to change this sentence into assertive sentence we have to use the word very or great in place of how or what. how किंवा what च्या जागी आपल्याला very किंवा great वापरायचा आहे. then exclamatory sentence in the reported speech should be changed into assertive form. Okay, for example, here what a beautiful flower it is. What a beautiful flower it is. This is the constructions of exclamatory sentence. What is given here? What or how the word. Okay. Plus ये असेल तर म्हणून आपल्याला ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहिलं. Then adjective or adverb plus yes and last the verb. These the constructions of an exclamatory sentence. हे जनरली उद्गारवाचक वाक्याच्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत. त्याला समजा आपल्याला आता असर्टिव्ह मध्ये चेंज करायचं आहे तर पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला सब्जेक्ट घेणार आपण. ओके, देन वर्ब. ओके, इट इज, नंतर हे दिलेलं आहे. आता या ठिकाणी इन प्लेस ऑफ हाऊ और व्हॉट वी हॅव टू यूज व्हेरी और ग्रेट. देन व्हॉट इज द सेंटेन्स? इट इज अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल फ्लॉवर. ऍडजेक्टिव्ह एक्सक्लेमेटिव्ह नाउन. ओके, या फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स जे कोटेशन मध्ये दिलेला आहे ॲज अ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच it should be changed into assertive sentences. Okay, now again I am repeating one thing, that up till now we have studied about the indirect of assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Okay, for the assertive sentence and for the exclamatory sentence we have to use that as a connective or conjunction. Okay, again the another thing is that while changing direct to indirect, okay, the sentence which is given in a reported speech should be changed into the assertive form. अवतरण चिन्हामध्ये किंवा कोटेशन मध्ये जे कोणतं सेंटेन्स दिलं असेल त्याला आपल्याला असर्टिव्ह फॉर्म मध्येच इनडायरेक्ट करताना त्याला चेंज करायचं आहे. Okay, now we will see the example. First example, he said, comma into inverted comma, how hardworking you are! Exclamation mark. Now he exclaimed, said, so आपण exclaimed लिहिलं. या ठिकाणी feelings बघून याला आपण याचा इमोशन्स ऍड करू शकतो. exclaimed with काय आहे? how hardworking you are. तू किती उद्योगी आहेस, परिश्रमी आहेस, म्हणजे आनंद आहे. समजा कन्फर्म होत नसेल तर आपण समजा या ठिकाणी लिसनर स्पीकर आहे पण लिसनर दिला नसेल तर आपण ही इमोशन्स ही फिलिंग्स व्यक्त केलीच पाहिजे असं कंपल्सन नाही. ओके, पण ज्या ठिकाणी ज्या वाक्यामध्ये इफ द स्पीकर अँड लिसनर बोथ आर गिवन देन वी हॅव टू यूज द फिलिंग विच इज यूज्ड इन द सेंटेन्स ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. ओके, नाउ ही exclaimed. That is the connective. To remove comma into inverted comma we have to use that. Okay, he exclaimed that. Now how hardworking you are. या ठिकाणी subject is the you, are is verb. Now you is the second person pronoun. Okay, it should be changed according to the listener, but here listener is not given. Then we can use how hardworking you are. You means he or maybe she. We have used here he. Okay, he चा आपण he लिहिलं. Now are is changed into was, present, simple present, simple past. He exclaimed that he was very. In place of how we have to use very and then adjective. He was very hardworking. Okay. Second sentence. Rajesh said, comma into inverted comma, what a piece of art it is. Now, the indirect speech. Rajesh exclaimed in place of said, reporting verb. Rajesh exclaimed with surprise. Now the feeling in this sentence is given surprise, आश्चर्य. What a piece of art it is. किती अद्भुत नमुना आहे या कलेचा. ओके, therefore राजेश exclaimed with surprise. आश्चर्यानं त्याने व्यक्त केलं. राजेश exclaimed with surprise that connective that then first the subject it was a is given here, and in place of what we have to use very or great. Here the great is apt word in this sentence, therefore we have used a great. Then what is the sentence? Rajesh exclaimed with surprise that it was a great piece of art. In the last part of the sentence, it is the indirect speech. Now come to the third sentence. He said, comma into inverted comma, hurrah, I got first division in the exam. Here the I got first division which tense is given here, simple past, and simple past will be converted into past perfect tense. Okay, now this word hurrah, what it suggests? Hurrah means happiness, joy, great excitement. Okay, therefore the indirect of this sentence will be he exclaimed with joy, he exclaimed with happiness, he exclaimed with excitement. Okay, he exclaimed with joy that connective. Now the first person pronoun should be changed according to the speaker. Here the speaker he is given, therefore I will be changed into he. Okay, now simple past I got s plus v2 plus o form, therefore this sentence should be the past perfect tense. Therefore he exclaimed with joy that he had got, third form already given here, he had got first division in the exam. Now the fourth, he said to Ram. Now the speaker and listener is given. Okay, if the speaker and listener is given in the sentence, then we have to write in place of said to, told first, then the feeling should be mentioned. Okay, therefore he told Ram, said to will be converted into told, said to अपन told him. He told Ram sorrowfully or with sorrow. We can use any one, either sorrowfully adverb form or with sorrow. Okay, no problem. He told Ram sorrowfully or he told Ram with sorrow that. Now what a foolish boy you are. Okay, you is the subject. We have to write this subject in the beginning. Now you, tu, first form है, second person pronoun should be changed according to the listener or object. Ram is given here, therefore you will be converted into he and R into was. Then he told Ram with sorrow that he was a very foolish boy. Okay, I think now there is no any problem to change the exclamatory sentences in the reported speech into the indirect speech. Okay, again I am repeating the important things. Okay, you should understand them. The reporting verb said or told is converted into exclaimed. Then we can use the feelings according to the sentences given in the reported speech. Exclaimed with joy, sorrow or surprise. Connective that, to remove the comma into inverted comma we have to use that. Then the words showing the exclamation, oh, alas, brave, hurrah, ah, hark should be deleted. We have to use very or great in place of how or what. Okay, and the exclamatory sentence in the reported speech should be changed into the assertive form, means s plus v plus o form. Now the construction of exclamatory sentence, what the beautiful flower it is. Okay, the assertive will be it is, the subject is first, then verb, it is a very beautiful flower. Now the example, how the different emotions or the different feelings can be expressed in the same sentence with different punctuation marks and different way of reading. He has scored 95% marks. Simple sentence. He has scored 95% marks. त्याला 95% मिळाले. Mean the feeling of surprise, feeling of happiness, feeling of excitement. And here he has scored 95% marks. Question mark is there. Okay, and these are the sentences which are given here. Okay, I think you understood it well. Okay, let us stop here.